Hey beautifuls, how are you doing today? Thank you so much for clicking on this video and joining me. We're gonna do one of my favorite videos. This is seriously one of the favorites that I like to make every single month. We are doing our head-to-head versus battle between the Ipsy Glam Bag, and we're gonna be comparing it against the Macy's Beauty Box for April. So per usual, we are starting with the Ipsy Glam Bag for April 2024. Ipsy will retail for $14 a month. However, there is a $2 handling fee on top of that. And then you also have sales tax every month to pay as well. Now you are guaranteed 5 sample-sized items inside of your monthly bag, along with a limited edition Ipsy bag. Now that Ipsy bag is considered a free item. So this is our April Glam Bag. This bag, I think it's cute, but I am not in love with it. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, you guys, but I think it's so cute with the charm. I love the peach on here. It's just adorable. Look, look at this fuzzy little peach. So the idea behind this bag is they took the color of the year, which for 2024, the color of the year was called Peach Fuzz. And this was their inspiration or their take on that color. So I think it's super cute with this peach on here. It's actually fuzzy, which makes it even better. It's just like felt material. And I just think it is so cute. However, if you take away the charm and you look at the bag, it's a little bit more subdued and I don't love it as much. The charm honestly is what makes the bag this month. So that's the only reason why I say that I like it, but I don't love it, only because it's really down to that charm. I'm so tempted to actually put this charm on my keychain because it's just cute. Like, I think it's adorable. So if you ordered in April, this is the glam bag that you would receive. Now, I did do a poll per usual to get you guys' thoughts on this. If you ever want to vote in my Ipsy Glam Bag polls, I do post them over on my community page here on YouTube. So these are the results of the April poll, and I do think we saw a dip in numbers from the month before. I do think it's just because most of us felt like the charm is cute, but not so much the entire bag. But inside, you do have a gorgeous peach color, so I think that's super cute. And I got some even peachy looking items in here too. So first item is from Elizabeth Mott. This is their Sure Thing Vitamin C Cleanser. This is a deluxe sample size and it was made specifically for Ipsy. The reason why I say that is because they do have a coupon code right here on the back that you can use for this product. Now, one thing that's kind of nice about this is if they ever try to put this into future mystery bags, you're gonna know how old this was because it has a date. It says that it expires for the coupon. The coupon expires August of 2024. The product may not expire by that point, but you're still gonna have a rough idea of when this was made. So I kind of like that they put the code on here, that way you know. This cleanser says that it has vitamin C inside of it, so it will not only cleanse your face, but it's also not going to dry it out or strip it, and it's going to brighten your skin at the same time. My next item is itty bitty, tiny bitty. It's from Modacity. The audacity of this product. Okay, I know that was cringy. I know. I just couldn't help myself. You guys, like, somebody the other day just commented and said, Sydney, you're so cringy and you tell so many dad jokes. And I can't help it, but dad jokes are my favorite. Like, those are the ones that actually make me laugh. So, sorry, this is who I am. I'm cringy, I love my dad jokes, and that just made me laugh. So, here's our next item. This is a really small sample size here. Great brand name. Audacity's great, but 4 ml of product is not a lot of product to work with. So this is a serum that has vitamin C and E, and there's also hyaluronic acid in it. So honestly, this is going to be a really great brightening serum. Like, the ingredients alone make me want to try this product. I just wish I had more here. So this retails for $78 for the full-size version, which is 30 ml of product. We have 4 ml today. This powerhouse serum will give you brighter skin, and it's also going to even out your skin's texture. It will additionally give you a smooth tone and smooth out any lines and wrinkles that you might have. I love the brand. I like the product here. I just wish it was bigger. Next item is from Kiss and Smink. This is a lip oil. Is this full size? It looks full size to me, you guys. Okay, this might make up for that one. So the shade that I have is Peony, and we have a lip oil. So typically with oils, it's not going to be a ton of color. It's just going to give you a pop of color. Okay, I like this a lot. I love this shade. Let's do a quick swatch here and see what it looks like. So here's our lip oil. Oh, it feels nice. And it kind of gives me bubblegum pink vibes. Really great going into summer. I like it. It's not sticky. It's not too thick either. This is really good, you guys. So this one says it's full size. Well, 1 point for Ipsy already. This is a $20 product. It says we've officially found the ultimate non-sticky lip oil. It's nourishing, but it's also going to give you a wash of pink with every application. Okay, I love this. We have a full size product here. Product number 4 is from Lmis. This is the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. This is also really great, you guys. So I've used this product before, great brand, and it works really well. What's kind of nice about this is you can put this on without anything else for that day, and your skin looks great. So it's a primer that will hold back oils, and it will allow your skin to just be bright and dewy on its own. Because it has a little bit of illumination in there, there's just a touch of glow to it. It gives you this really nice looking skin after using it, but you're not an oily mess because it is a primer after all. So it's hydrating, it gives you a little bit of shine, and it's also going to keep oils at bay. So I love this product. Last item that I have today is a palette. This is from Chica Beauty, and it is called the Fiesta Eyeshadow Palette. Now, I cannot remember, you guys, what item I chose for my bag. You are able to make one choice every single month, but based off of what I see, I feel like I would have chosen this product. Usually I will go for the palettes if that's an option, but I just can't remember what I chose. Like, none of them are ringing a bell at all. So this is what our palette will look like. This is cute. It's a little bit smaller, but I still think it's a cute little compact, and I love the pops of color down here. I think this is gorgeous. Now, it is vegan and cruelty-free, and it says it's from San Antonio, Texas. I love it. This is awesome. Macy's has got a tough one on their hand here. They got to really pull it out. So this is also full size, and it retails for $15. I don't know what's going to be in this box, but I'm telling you guys, they really better bring it, because we had 2 full-size items inside of the Ipsy bag, and honestly, the brands were amazing. Modacity, Lmis, I mean, for real, that's a pretty good bag. Now, if you do not know the Macy's beauty box, again, I have all of the information listed down below in my video description box. This box is $15 a month with free shipping. You do have to pay sales tax, but it's not much. For me, this box comes in at $16.05 every month. You are going to receive sample-sized products inside of it. They never give you an amount, so it's always just between like 4 and 8 products that you're going to receive every month. And it's always a surprise. You never really know what you're going to receive in here. You are not able to customize anything either. So you do receive decent brand names, but you have no idea what those might be. Our theme for the April box is Spring into Perfect. So you also will receive a beauty coupon with your Macy's beauty box. This can be used on the Macy's website or in stores, and you can save $10 off of a $40 purchase. You cannot use this on your Macy's subscription box. So the first item that I have, I believe, is our free bonus item. So in here, I have got 2 hair clips that are actually very cute. They're not branded, so I'm pretty sure these are made just by Macy's, and like I said, they're just a free item. These are little clips that you can put in to hold back your hair while you're getting ready in the morning. So you can hold this back, and that way you can do all of your makeup and everything like that, and then you can take these out, and they're not gonna leave any lines or marks in your hair because they are flat clips. So I will definitely use those. That's a really good free item. Also in the same package, I have 2 of these powder puffs that you can use to apply any powder or makeup. And these are great because of them being a triangle. You can work all around your eyes in here and into any of these little inner corners. So those are also really good. And I kind of like that they're spring-like. We got flowers and then you get purple here. This is a good free item. If I had to choose the Ipsy bag versus the hair clips and the powder puffs, I think I would go with the hair clips and the powder puffs this month. So first official item in our Macy's box is the Vitalizing I'm Rose Sheet Mask. This is from Tony Moly. We have one mask inside of this pack here. It is cruelty-free and it is supposed to fight off redness and brighten your skin's appearance. There is rose extract in here, so it will smell like rose is the only thing. I know some of my viewers are sensitive to rose, so just keep that in mind if you do receive it. The next item that I have in here is from Nude Sticks. Is it this color? It says it's Magenta Magic. So my first thought is, this is great that we have this brand name, but then I'm looking at this color and the shade name here says Magenta Magic. Is this our color? Oh my gosh, I think it is. Oh, what is that? What? So I've not seen this product before. This is our magenta, but what is the center? Why is the center a different color? Now I'm confused. This says it's a matte and glow product. So I think it's supposed to be a blush and a highlighter combo that you could draw this on, but you'd have to buff that out. Otherwise you're gonna get lines. Interesting. I've not even seen this product before. And Sephora carries Nude Sticks, and I've just not seen this at all. I missed it. So I like the idea, though, for spring. I think the color is really nice. Love the brand. This is definitely a good size, so you have a lot to work with. But I do think you're still going to have to work with the product. It's not going to just be swipe and go. Next item is from YSO. This is their Glow In Balm, and it is a foil packet, you guys. So this is when I go, this is a free sample, right? Like, I don't feel like all samples are free anymore because you still have to make purchases to receive a lot of these items, so they're not really free. But this, when it's a foil packet, this is something you can 100% get for free inside of magazines, or the brands can mail these to you as well. So this is definitely a free sample product. So I don't mind that it's YSL. I think it's a good brand, but like, you're telling me you'd rather this over like what Ipsy gave us? Like, this is not worth it. Well, thank goodness we have a large mascara in here. So our next item is travel size. It is the MAC Stack Mascara. It is their Mega Brush. So this is a black mascara from Tarte Cosmetics. This is what it will look like here. You can actually see that the wand itself looks like this. So I have tried this before and it does a really great job of coating your lashes. And I do think it's because the bristles are very unique. So this is what it looks like. And you can see they're a little bit more triangular in shape and they almost like grip and hug your lashes better. So it's really good. It is considered mega volume and you're supposed to get really great lashes. I do think this is exciting to have in the box. We have another mascara in our Macy's box from Lancome. This is their Lash Lifting Volumizing Mascara. It is in shade number 1, which is Glossy Black. So it does have a little bit of a shine, but it's not too much. I've had this product before. You really don't notice a difference with it. Now, Lancome makes my favorite mascara, my personal favorite, which is their Big Mascara. This one is a little bit different in formula compared to the one that I love, but I do think this is still a good, solid mascara. Now, I like that this is travel size. You've got a lot to work with here. And honestly, I agree with a lot of my subscribers. Any more travel size mascaras are better because they don't dry out before I get to them. So I kind of like the size on these better than some of the full size tubes anyways. Now this does have a little bit of a curve to the wand, so it's supposed to hug your lashes a little bit more, but you can also flip this. That way you can get all of those small lashes down below, so it will coat top and bottom really well with their brush. I do think it's odd to have 2 mascaras in the same box. Just from a reviewing aspect, I find that a little strange. Next item is from Tarte Cosmetics, and this is their Juicy Lip Balm. This lip balm is in the shade Rose, so it has a very slight pink color to it. This is also cruelty-free and vegan. We have, what size is this? I don't even see a size on here. Oh, yes, I do. 0.7 grams. So it is a small little travel size. I mean, not even travel. This is definitely sample size once again. So this one is fairly small, but I do think the shade on this lip product is gorgeous. I love the shade. I also feel like, again, for spring and this theme of spring, this is a good color for that. Last item inside of our Macy's box today is a fragrance sample from Viktor and Rolf. This is their Flower Balm Tiger Lily perfume. So Flower Balm is one of their best-selling perfumes, and they do make a few different variations of it. This one will feature tiger lilies, which I love tiger lilies. They're so pretty, you guys. I have a whole bunch blooming at my house, so I love them. This is just a sample, so it's 1.2 ml of fragrance. You don't receive a lot, but like I said, if you want to know if you like a fragrance, get these first before spending $100 and some on it to know if you like it. So that is everything inside of my Macy's beauty box for April. So in this box, we have a total of 6 items. I am not counting the free item in there, and I am not going to count this little foil because I don't think this should count as one of your products. So if you don't count those 2 things, you still have 6 products in this box. I got to hand it to them. The brand names are always bougie, and I love that. So you've got Lancome in here, you have Tarte, you've got Nude Sticks, you've got Viktor and Rolf. Tony Moly is a really good brand for sheet masks as well, so I do think they deliver when it comes to brands. The only thing I don't like is most of the sizes are fairly small. We do have 2 mascaras that are good size, and I approve of that. But the lip product from Tarte is not very large. And then when you get down to the Viktor and Rolf, not very large once again. Nude Sticks, it's decent size. I just don't think it can compete with Ipsy this month because Ipsy gave us 2 full-size products. And I almost think the luxury brands were a wash this month because both boxes had high-end brand names in their boxes. So I kind of feel like they equaled themselves out there. So I'm going to go with Ipsy. I think Ipsy had the better bag this month. I like the products that I had. They're much larger. I will get more use out of them. And for the couple dollars more, I think it was totally worth it. So comment down below. Let me know who won this month. What do you think? Do you think Macy's won? Do you think Ipsy won? I'm going to go with Ipsy though. I like those products. I like the palette. I think Macy's is still a good box, but there was nothing in it that was like, wow, it was just, here's some good mascara. So comment down below, you guys, and while you're at it, if you would, could you please hit that like button down there as well and give this video a thumbs up? I greatly appreciate it. That will allow YouTube to put my videos out further and I can have more people join us here on YouTube. So I appreciate all of you guys' support, but I would love to hear from you on which box you think is amazing. And if you want to vote on the Ipsy Glam Bag for May, I will be posting that poll up over on my community page here on YouTube, and so you can cast your vote there too. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys in my next unboxing video. Bye!